welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing a limited edition unboxing. This is going to feature the newest gift set from FLORASIS. Now, FLORASIS is a cosmetic company. I think they are the most beautiful cosmetic company on the planet, you guys. I mean, like, you're gonna see today why I say that. Every time I order from this company and I receive it, words just do not do it justice, and having it in person is so much better than even online. But like I said, this is a new limited edition gift set. They just released it for the end of the year, so it is available to purchase now. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this gift set, I will have a link listed down below that will take you directly to this package. So this is what the box will look like when it is shipped to you. It is not your average cardboard box. Let me tell you guys, I'm just always blown away that they care enough to even put a beautiful design on their boxes, to have the matching color. It's just kind of surprising because I mean, most people just send it in cardboard boxes, but FLORASIS, every single detail matters. Now, this gift set is called the Beijing Opera Encore Gift Set. Now, you'll notice with everything with FLORASIS, all of their products are going to pay an homage to something of their culture. This particular gift set is going to pay homage towards the Beijing Opera. It says it's a shining pearl of China's cultural heritage, and this opera is where it will bring fantasies to life through storytelling and performance and artistry. Elaborate and exquisite, this intricate set will invite you to explore, play, and discover new sides to your artistic repertoire. Well, let's go ahead and attend the Beijing Opera. So because we are going to the opera in Beijing, they are giving us a ticket. This is the FLORASIS Presents the Beijing Opera World Tour Admit 1. This will have a QR code on it that you can scan and actually get a little bit more information about this gift set that you just purchased. But even the card that has the information about your products is on point with the theme. They want to keep you immersed into this atmosphere. I love the design. The card itself is very thick cardstock paper, so it's not a cheap, flimsy thing either. It's just, I mean, already you're being submerged into this opera, and I love it. The next item that I have in here is a shopping bag. So they do know that a lot of times people will buy these as gifts to give, and you can just put them in this gift bag if you would like to, or I love that they're just giving you the experience as if you were shopping in one of their stores. And then down below in my box is my gift set. Oh my gosh, I love it. I can't wait because you guys, I'm such a packaging snob. Like I die for good packaging, and this box always gives it to me. So this is what it looks like if you were to buy the opera set. It's a good size box, so you can kind of see the size here. And then you've got the sealed FLORASIS logo over here as well. That way you know it's authentic. And it says it's an ancient art form boldly reimagined. Oh, this is different. So this is velvet that's on here. These little pink spirals are actually a velvet fabric. I didn't realize this. This is all embossed around the edges. So it is a little bit more of that engraving. You're going to start to see that even on the packaging. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait, you guys. Oh. So when I take off the lid, okay, I know these are small points, you guys, and you may never notice this, but I'm telling you I love packaging. That's why I do notice it. But in this box, there's actually a foam board that has been cut to fit around the edges. So everything in here is so secured, even with that foam that they've lined on the inside. It's just all these little details that make it worth it. You guys, you wouldn't even have to wrap any of this. Do you know what I mean? Like, this gift box set is ready to go the way it is. So the first item we're gonna look at is our little pom-pom up here. This is going to be included in the gift set, and it's a super soft, fuzzy pom. It's very cute. So this is just going to be an accessory, but in that same little hole there, you're going to have the keychain that will go with it. So this will be included in there, and it's got the FLORASIS logo on here, and then you've got this really large metal clasp. This will actually bend down here at the top. You can take this off, and this is where you're actually going to attach your pom on. So it will be like this. And that way you've got a limited edition collector's item from FLORASIS. This is all going to be hand-stitched leather, and it's going to be a really thick padding. And then down below, you're gonna have your eyeshadow palette in your gift box. Now, you are able to customize with which eyeshadow palette you want to go with. This is the one that I chose, and this one is called the Charming Araya palette. It's number 2 of the options. So when I pull this out, you're gonna see the classic fan design for this eyeshadow palette. This will slip right off, and this is going to be, again, a little bit more of that story. So we're going to the opera in Beijing. It's very popular and common to have fans, and these fans are also going to bring a little bit of heritage to them. So they wanted to give us a fan design that's very much inspired of the opera. It very much reminds me of a crown. It's just very over the top. Now this is what it will look like here on the back. This top is just a magnet, so it will actually pull straight up and come right off like this. So you won't have a mirror, but you will have that really pretty design. The magnet is firm, so you do have to use a little bit of force to pull it off. And then down below will be this gorgeous eyeshadow palette. Now I'm gonna keep this here for a little bit so you guys can look at it. But first, not only are there beautiful colors, but look at all of the carvings on these shadows. Is that not amazing? I mean, I don't know of any other brand or any other cosmetic company out there that will actually give you a story and carving work in their shadows or in their products. And this is why I say FLORASIS is in a league of their own. Now we're gonna definitely do some swatches here. I gotta tell you, it breaks my heart a little bit because I'm not a huge swatcher to begin with, but when something is this beautiful, I'm like, oh, I don't want to touch it. I don't want to ruin it, but I do also want to see the pigments. So we're going to go ahead and swatch through. One thing to keep in mind with Eastern culture makeup is they typically are of the mindset that they want you to build it up. So it usually goes down very light, but you can add a few more layers to build up that pigment. Western cultures like ourselves, we tend to love a lot of pigment at once. So I have a feeling this will be light to start with, but it's going to be designed to be built up. So first off that we're going to start with, I'm going to go over here with this kind of like milk chocolate cocoa shade. This is extremely soft, very creamy formula. And as you can see, it's going to be a beautiful chocolate brown color. What I like about this is it will go down as like a transition shade. You can use this really to blend out with any of those looks. The next one is going to be a gold shimmer. And this one, oh, now this is like butter. This is really, really pretty. So this would be a beautiful topper or shimmer if you put it over top of something. It's a very lightweight shimmer, and I would definitely put this over the top of an eyeshadow look. So just as an example, we're gonna just put a little bit over top of this brown one here. If you put that just right over the center of it, do you see how it really comes to life? So it adds just a little bit of lift, but it's a really universal shade to work with all of the colors. Next, we're gonna look at this pink one. And this one is a very light baby pink, but it's got a little bit of a silver touch to it. Do you see that? Now we're gonna go ahead and try our deep red color over here. Now this one, oh man, I could play around with this all night. Like, this is so soft. This is a beautiful red, but it has, again, a little bit of a shimmer. Now we're gonna try this blue one, and this is a beautiful shimmer again. So this is very similar to the other one that we looked at before. It will look great on toppers, and it will have a little bit of that blue purple shimmer. It goes down as just a very light color, but you can definitely tell it's there, but you need something almost underneath of it to really build it up. Next one will be this, what is this, silver? Yeah, it's a little bit more silver-like. Okay, so this one, you can look at it here. It's a little bit more bold, but that is exactly what I would call silver for that one. And then last but not least, we're gonna have our deep black over here. Now this black also has a bit of shimmer in it, and it looks a little sparkly. Look at that. That's really pretty. Do you see those? It's kind of like a midnight sky. We're gonna go right up here. Now this is one that you could use to smoke out a look, But I honestly think you could put this down and then put the topper over top of it. That would be pretty. Let me try this one here. We're going to try this blue one over top of that black. Oh my gosh, look at that. See how that changed that already? So this is that black shadow with the blue over top. And do you see how bold it is? So I definitely think you can play with these. You can come up with something, and that's the whole idea behind this, is they want the artistry of the opera to come through with this palette. I definitely see it. So now I'm gonna go down to the second layer of this gift box. So you'll notice you've got two pull tabs here on the side, and this will actually lift up, and it's going to reveal another layer for your bottom down here with more items in your gift set. So the first item we're gonna look at is the item I have been dying to see. This is a mirror, and it is a limited edition mirror that you'll only be able to find in this gift set. So this is what it will look like here. Again, this is all going to have reliefs or carvings on it, and it is going to be a silver metal mirror. Even the handle itself will have lots of design and detail work added. You do have the FLORASIS logo down here, and then this will be your handle down here on the front. So this is what it looks like this way, and then here's the back. And then you actually can collapse this down like this, and it will lay flat. So that when you want to use it again, you just open it up, and you've got your handheld mirror here. Is that not the coolest thing, you guys? So this next product is our lip mask. This will be filled with ginseng, and it is designed to give you hydration, and it's going to help to soften your lips while using this product. So when you open it up, it will look like this. And down below, you're going to have your little pot. This is available for purchase on the website outside of this gift set. It is one of their best-selling products because it is so hydrating. So this one you can definitely find on the website. You don't have to buy the gift box to receive it. Additionally, inside of this, you're going to get a metal spoon. So this one is going to be a gold spoon to actually scoop this product out. There's weight to this one again. It's very good products. They're very heavy. And then inside, this is what that lip balm will look like, or that mask will look like. Next item will be one of their satin lipsticks. This is a full-size product, and this lipstick will give you a satin look, but it's also going to give you hydration. There's vitamin E in this product, and that way it won't dry out your lips while you're using it. So they do choose the shade for you in this box, but this is what it will look like when you pull it out. So this is what the lip color will look like here. You've got a really good size applicator here, and I'll do a swatch so you guys can see this satin lip color. It goes down as a matte, but it is velvety smooth, very, very soft, extremely creamy. And what I like about it is you can add on additional layers like I did here to really give you lots of color if you want to. But you can also go very light with this and blend it out, and you could do a very soft kiss look. Now, the last item that we have inside of our gift box here is their eyebrow pencil, and this is a full-size product again. So the packaging is very similar to the other ones that we have here. They do have a little safety seal on this box as well. And then the shade that we have is number 5. So they do make different shades of this product. But this is what our pencil will look like. You're gonna have this really beautiful set here. And inside you're gonna have that little applicator that you can use, but then you're also going to have your double-ended product. So this will be your pencil on one end here, and you're gonna see that color in there. And then on the other end, you're going to have your spoolie. So we should be good to go to the opera now after this gift set. We have everything in here from our eyes to our lips. We've got our eyebrows done as well. We've even got the pom-poms. That way we have our keys. We're ready to walk out the door, you guys. I love this gift set. I love every little bit of detail to it. It is so luxurious, it is over the top, and it's like nothing else that I unboxed. So I just love everything about it. So if you guys are interested in this gift set, it is available right now to be purchased, and it can ship right away. They usually get everything shipped out within a couple of days of your order. So if you know of a beauty lover that loves beautiful things, this would make an excellent gift. I highly recommend it. I'm so pleased with my box today, you guys. I just love it. I wish you could all try it because it is an experience inside of a beauty box. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!